Do you ever feel a little stuck when you speak English? Your ideas are there, but the words feel slow. You translate every word in your head, and it is frustrating. It feels like there is a wall between your thoughts and your words. Conversations feel difficult. Sometimes you feel too tired to even try. But imagine something different. Imagine your thoughts flowing easily and naturally in English. Picture yourself sharing stories without stopping to translate. The English words are already there, in your mind. This is not a dream for other people. This is your goal. It is wonderful when you realize you have stopped translating. It is a moment of true connection. This journey is not about being perfect. It is about small steps every day. We will use practical exercises you can do anywhere. Connect with friends. Do well at work. Enjoy movies and music. I believe in you. Let's get to work. The first step is the easiest, and you can do it right now. Look around the room you are in. What do you see? Chair, table, window, lamp. Connect the English word directly to the object. Do it without your native language in the middle. Think about the sound of the word. If you can, use an online dictionary to hear it. For example, computer. Americans often say the T like a soft D in the middle. Computer. Focusing on pronunciation builds confidence. Refrigerator, sink, cup, plate, tree, car, sky, building. Use even 10 seconds while you wait. Small moments add up over time. They build a strong foundation. Do not know a word? Look it up, learn it in your life and remember it. Once single words feel easy, start simple sentences. Use easy beginnings like, I am. This is, I am happy. I am tired. I am at home. My desk is messy. This chair is comfortable. The sky is blue. The goal is not poetry. The goal is to form thoughts directly in English. You are using verbs like is, am, and adjectives like happy, blue. Practice a few minutes daily. Morning coffee works great. Today is Friday. I am ready for the day. This coffee smells good. The cup is hot. It is your private time. Relax and try. Do not know a word? Look it up, then say, the drawer is open. Here is a powerful change in your learning. Translations help, but they keep your brain in translation mode. Use an English-only learner's dictionary. It explains words with simpler English. Example, delicious, having a very pleasant taste or smell. You learn the concept in English, not a translation. This builds deeper connections in your brain. You start to think like native speakers. Train your brain to stay in English mode. Great options are free online. Merriam-Webster, Oxford, Cambridge. Next time you see a new word, look it up there. Read the simple definition, then make your own sentence. That is a big step toward fluency. You have single words and simple sentences. Now, have small conversations with yourself. No pressure, no audience, no problem. Set a timer for 2 minutes every day. Talk about anything. Today I went to the store. I bought apples. I bought bread. The store was very busy. Tomorrow I need to finish my report. Then I want to watch a movie. The topic does not matter. Keep speaking and connecting ideas. I practiced like this on solo drives. Hard at first, then natural. It will be the same for you. Make a promise to yourself. 30 days. Do not miss a day. 5 minutes when you can. 2 minutes when you cannot. You will be amazed at your progress. This habit builds confidence like nothing else. Make English a tool you use daily. Switch one routine to English. Doctor's appointment at 3 p.m. Lunch with Sarah. Days and months come naturally. Write your shopping list. Milk, eggs, bread, vegetables. Change your phone and social media to English. Seeing friend request will feel strange at first, then easy. Learn one new thing completely in English. Pick something you want anyway. Watch only English tutorials. It feels like fun, not work. Okay, first I will get a bowl. Now I will pour the cereal. I need milk from the refrigerator. You are the narrator of your life, building fluency from the inside out. Keep English close to your daily actions. At the start of the day, think in English for a minute. What do you have to do? What are you looking forward to? Today I have a meeting at 10. I need to prepare. After work I will go for a walk. It will be a good day. This sets your brain to English mode. At night, recap your day in English. Today was a lovely day. I had lunch with my mom. We talked for a long time. Then I watched a movie. It is a calm, relaxing way to practice. Keep a tiny journal of what you practiced, in English. Seeing progress keeps you going. Put your mind in English before sleep. You might even dream in English. This is a journey of small, consistent habits. You can do this. Your fluency is waiting for you.